Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm making today. I am the back right. Okay, so this me. This Lucas way back there. You see him? Or say hi. Yeah. Anyways, we take a bike, make around. We stops. So we take out a lot of stops. Just look this right there.
Hello.
Hey guys, I'm making a vlog today. While y'all go bike. It's not mine. This my mom's bike. And my bike has got the flat tire. And now today, where we got here, we go in the Walmart, get on the bike tire. And then we get my bike tire at Walmart, and then we stop to in the mall, get it, and stop also. And the first one is good, the second one are full. Anyways, yep, we are back riding. This me and Lucas go back riding. Have more bike back in school. Anyways, I was so today because it's really nice today. Whoa. We almost there. Right?
Yeah, we'll got a mile.
Oh shit. We got a lot of miles to go. You guys, it was really good, and this is really nice. Because it's nice because I think because we take a bike around here. Anyways, we do this. I want to do this because it is so fun and ride the bike. The hot guns, you got on the 12 trails to go, and that they have too many trails around, and it's I like to exercise your legs will go bigger and stronger this year. And you need to make a bike, go out town and ride your bike. It's really nice too. There's a lot of bumps. We got bumps over here. Yeah, guys, it's really good. I got my home yard. Yeah, we almost there. I'll make a cut this one. See, guys, it's there tomorrow. I'm not working tomorrow. He is. You guys make a vlog, okay? So, guys, see you for tomorrow.